After much research about how to grow on YouTube, I just have to try a new method that I've not come across. Probably no one has done it before. That is, I'm going to tell YouTube to make this video go viral. Let's see if this will work. Hey friends, my name is Philip, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. It took me a lot of time to provide this video. Please encourage me by clicking the subscribe button. Alright, thank you as you do. Now let's rock and roll. Dear YouTube, I'm sure that you know what this video is all about. I'm asking you that you made this video go viral. That's all I got to say. Know that this wasn't a prayer. It is a new way to try YouTube ads. In my future video, I will analyze the growth of this particular video concerning this. Talking about growth on YouTube, let's review some channels. Looking at this channel, it blew up within a few months of startup. This ads too. It got monetized after a few months of startup as well. A lot and lot of them. How did they do it? I don't know. Many of them will tell you that it is how they edit their video, or that will say it is their title. Well, I'm not doubting the fact, but I keep thinking, if that's how YouTube works, then many YouTubers who do better in editing and give better titles would have been the greatest YouTubers today. But it is no surprise that it's not so, because YouTube works differently. In this video above talks about how you can blow up on YouTube, so waste no time to check it out. YouTube is now one of the most popular sites on the web, with visitors watching around 6 billion hours of video every month. Everyone has their space there, including you watching this video. It's one of the most reliable platforms to make genuine income. Enough of advertising YouTube. Let's talk about having videos go viral on YouTube. There are many benefits of having video go viral on YouTube. I'll be talking about some benefits in the rest part of this video. Benefits number 1, increase in subscribers. A viral video can attract a large number of new subscribers to the channel. These new subscribers may tend to be interested in future content, allowing the channel to grow and potentially earn revenue for future videos. Benefit number 2, promotion and brand opportunities. If a video goes viral, the creator may gain attention and recognition. You must have watched videos where YouTubers will say, this video is sponsored by Mr. A or Mr. B. Know that they were paid to do that. Very cool, right? Benefit number 3, merchandise sales. If the video creator has products related to their channel or content, a viral video can lead to increased sales. Just so you may know, YouTube is a good place to market your products. If a video related to the product blew up, it is most likely that you will make a good amount of sales. Benefit number 4, crowdfunding and donation. So content creators ask their viewers for support through platforms like Patreon, Coffee, or direct donation through services like PayPal. A viral video may encourage the viewers to support the creator financially. Benefit number 5, content licensing. In some cases, media outlets or other content platforms may be interested in licensing the viral video for use in their content. This can guarantee revenue for the video creator. Having a video go viral on YouTube is not easy. It needs time and patience. While you are putting in effort and sacrifice, you must persevere and be consistent. I wish we had a YouTube passcode. We would have made all our expectation work in just one day. But it is another good thing that we don't have it. Yes, YouTube is teaching us real-life lessons. It teaches the importance of work and its attributes that follow. If you want to join this platform, don't procrastinate any longer. Come, let's grow together. I've reached the end of this video. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. You can see that I'm pushing, but I need your help to push faster. Alright, stay blessed and stay cool till we meet in the next video. Bye-bye.